Hello. Happy Thursday. Didn't end yesterday's vlog. Not gonna lie, fell asleep on the sofa. Got sent to bed by my husband. Rough night, not Ruben's fault. His cough is still there, but it's getting better. It's only really bad at night, but last night he slept all night, like the whole night through, which is the first time in a while. However, I had nightmares last night. It happens to me. I get like, I probably call them cluster nightmares. Like I can go weeks and not have them, and then I'll have like nightmares 5 nights on the bounce. And I've had them pretty much every day since Saturday night. But last night it was like I'd wake up. Normally I wake up and I'm like, and then they go away. And then last night it's like every time I fell back to sleep, I was continuing to have the nightmare. So I had a rough night's sleep, and then Ruben got up at 10 to 6, announcing it was Christmas morning and we can open presents. It is not Christmas morning. It is the Thursday before Christmas. So I have consumed too much coffee for this time of the day, but still we rise. So it's Thursday, it's the last play date before Christmas. My house is not ready, I am not ready. And they're going to be here in like an hour and a half. So I got to put away laundry and make myself feel festive. And at least one more cup of coffee. Alexa, stop. Okay, so everybody is fed, dressed, watered. Darwin is happy. Ruben is pulling out toys. I have not done the Christmas tree pizza yet, but if they turn up right this second, everything will be fine. Just trying to put together. It's that thing, they're coming relatively early, but both, like, Millicent, who comes, likes to eat at 12, and Ruben likes to have a snack at 11. The two things don't really work together, so we just kind of do a rather large brunch scenario. So yeah, right, I've got to stop chatting because I'm not ready. Okay, so the pizza trees are ready to go in once they get here. Ruben has already pinched himself some Crispies, raspberry and white chocolate cake, lentil chips, cucumber, carrot, apple, chocolate chip penguins, picnic eggs, presents for Scarlett and Millicent, bottle of gin for the mama, and then I have a quiche in the fridge, hummus in the fridge. What else is there? Hummus, pork pies. Is that everything? I think that's everything. I think I'm ready.
Don't worry, but now those pants are taking off. Catch them, Santa! Hurry!
Hello. So, it's just gone 3. Scarlett and Millicent have just left. They had a lovely time. Ruben is pooped, so I'm gonna have that fight on my hands until bedtime. It's tricky because it's like I'm happy for them to stay for as long as they're here, but it's then got to deal with a very overtired boy. But he had a lovely time. Bigger presents, that instant guilt of their presents are bigger than the presents we gave them. But yeah, very large boxes. But yeah, lovely time. I was going to say that was our last play date before Christmas, but we've now arranged to go to the park if it's dry on Saturday together. Burn off some energy, hopefully get some sleep from the kiddies. But yes, lovely time. Time to tidy up all this mess and try and keep this little boy awake. Because it's so dark, it looks deceptively late, but it's not that bad. But we've spent most of the afternoon being a dinosaur on a donkey.
What?
Look at the donkey on the Christmas tree that had a dinosaur on it.
Yeah. Triceratops costume.
Ruben's in a Triceratops costume.
Today.
Mummy's looking very tired. It's a no makeup day, which doesn't help. Ruben is sounding more snuffly. Hi, Darwin. Hi.
Darwin.
There's Darwin.
That's scary.
Oh yeah, Gilly's over there. But yeah, it's that whole... He's starting to sound more snuffly.
Horse. Baby horsey.
It's not a horsey, it's a donkey.
Horsey. A horsey, a donkey, Missy.
Which is now the long slide. Chase shoots forward and lands in a big pile of soft snow. That was awesome, he says happily.
Okay, I may have messed up a bit. I thought I'd booked the Christmas bits and bobs to come between 8 and 9. Obviously, Ruben goes to bed about 7:30. We're sat here, Ruben's having his milk, he's having a story, it's all very cute. Bang, bang, bang. Waitrose man. I'd booked it from 7 till 8, so that was a fail. Ruben is asleep. John has gone to get some parcels out of the car. It's been delivered to the post office. And I need to to record a Waitrose haul. And it's tea time, and tonight we've got curry. It's just the meal deal from, I always want to say Morrison's, from Waitrose. There's a Bombay potato that we've shared, a rice. John's got a chicken tikka, I've got a korma, we've got some onion bhajis and some naan bread. It smells really yummy. Hello, so I didn't end the vlog, which is becoming a somewhat regular thing. But we had curry. John liked his, I did not like mine. Korma is, the issues I normally have with korma is that it's not spiced enough and it's too sweet and too creamy. This was the polar opposite. And if you go to a restaurant and have a korma, it's actually nice, but it's like shop bought korma is always a bit, it was just weird. It was like they didn't add the cream or sugar or seasoning. It was just some chicken in some bland sauce. There's no spice, no sweet, no cream. But yeah, so that was disappointing, but the Bombay potato was really nice, and so was the onion bhajis and the naan bread and everything, so it was fine. And then John and I pulled out all of Ruben's Christmas presents. We've done we had a list that we kind of agreed on, and then I've done some independent shopping, and then John did some independent shopping, and I was quite comfortable in that we didn't need any more, we were done. But John was like, oh, I think that I don't think we've bought very much, and then we kind of laid it out, and there is plenty. I think it's that thing, because we started picking things up from Ruben pretty much in September, like just after his birthday in August. You kind of don't notice, if you don't, it's that thing, it's like when you do a big shop for, you know, like I think last year we went up to the big Smith's Superstore toy shop. We did a big shop and it was just for toys. You kind of realise how much you've got. Whereas we've been picking, you know, a couple bits up here, a couple bits up there. We didn't know, you know, 100% what we had. But yes, we most definitely have enough. We do not need to do, because like John had like a basket full of stuff on Amazon. Like, you know, we can get this and he'll like this. And I'm like, no, we've got enough. And we agreed that he's got enough things. They just need to be wrapped now. And then we went to bed. So yeah, that was our day, our evening. Yeah. So I kind of did a little roundup, even though it's clearly the next day.